Meaning of defrost.
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 Defrost. The term defrost refers to the process of removing ice or frost buildup from a frozen object or surface. This is typically done by bringing the object or surface to a temperature above freezing, causing ice and frost to melt and run off. Defrosting can be accomplished through various methods, such as using a hairdryer or heat gun, running warm water over the object or surface, or placing it in a defrosting setting within a refrigerator or freezer. As a result of defrosting, the object or surface becomes free of frost and ready for use or consumption.